Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to use the Excel formula COUNTIF and COUNTIFs function. COUNTIF is a single criteria. Let me show you where it is used. This is a employee attendance sheet. Here, let me show you with an example. This is an employee attendance sheet. I want to know the status of weekly present. I mean, who else were present this week? How many days? So let me start this formula. COUNTIF will start with equal to sign. As we know, to start any formula, we have to start with equal to or plus sign. I told you before. So count if. I'll select COUNTIF from the drop down. Now I'm pressing tab to open bracket. Now it is asking for a range. Where is the range I have to look for? This is the range. We have to find out from this range. Now we'll start with quotation mark. What we are looking for? We are looking for present. How many days agents were present? So I'll put in criteria P. Now close the quotation mark, then bracket close. Now see the result. I've got the result. Thor was present for 4 days. So I have applied the formula here to find out others. You just need to hover your mouse here on plus sign. Either you can drag down, or you can double click here. It will fill down the data, rest of data. Now you can see others. Loki were present only 2 days. So this is how we can check the particular criteria in a data. In the same way, we can find out absent also. Let's start with the same process. COUNTIF, bracket open with the tab, with the help of tab. Now I have to give the range. This is the range. Now I have to find out absent. So we'll give the criteria after comma. It would be A. We have to find out how many days they were absent. Now you can see only 1 days. In the same way, we can break down this. Now we have got the data for rest agents as well with the formula, because we have applied the formula here. If I make any changes, it will also reflect here. Like this is present, let me change to absent. Now you can see, now it is showing present 3 days and absent 2 days, 1, 2. So this is the use of COUNTIF. If you are looking for any particular criteria, then we'll be using COUNTIF function. I hope I'm able to make you understand this COUNTIF. Now let's move to the COUNTIFs. COUNTIFs. What do you understand with COUNTIFs? COUNTIFs means multiple criteria, where we have to find out multiple criteria. Then we use this formula. If we go with the definition, then the Excel COUNTIFs function gives you the count of cells that meet one or more criteria. Let me show you with another data here. This is data of COVID vaccination. name, age, vaccine, country, gender. Now, if I want to know the multiple criteria, like this is a new data, COVID vaccination. I want to use this data for COUNTEF's function. See, if I am looking for a data of person who got vaccinated, the condition criteria is age should be more than 25. Also, criteria is which vaccination he has taken, vaccination name, and also country. It will provide me the number, how many people from this country has got vaccinated. And also you can give more criteria, count, tips. Here I want to give multiple criteria. Like first, age should be more than 25. So how will we select? First select the range. This is the range. I'm looking for my first criteria, then as per formula is comma. Now in quotation mark we'll give condition criteria, what we want. We want to know more than 25 years. Now closed with quotation mark again. Now we also want to know the vaccine name, particular vaccine name. So I have selected vaccine here. Now if I want to know a particular vaccine, how many have taken, then again same, I have in the range. Now I'll give the criteria. I want to know Pfizer. So again in quotation mark I will write Pfizer. Now let me close this and let me see what data we get. We can see there are 2 persons who are more than 25 years old. There were 2 persons who were 25 years old as per our condition. One Rudra, he is also more than 25, and one Kiran, he is also more than 25. Both have taken Pfizer. So 2 persons have taken Pfizer. This is the result. In the same criteria, I'm pressing F2 to get more criteria. Like if I want to increase the criteria, then the country also. So then I'll select the country, then comma, quotation mark, which country I want to know. I want to know Israel. Then I'll write in quotation mark ISRAEL. Now this will show me the data of person who belongs from Israel only, taken vaccine Pfizer. So let's see how many have taken Pfizer in Israel. You can see the data, only 1, because only Rudra has taken Pfizer in Israel. This is the data. In the same way, you can give multiple criteria. You can keep on adding criteria. This is how we use COUNTEFs. I hope I'm able to make it easy for understanding. Still, if you face any issue, you can ask me. And the best way to understand, you should practice it. It will be easy for you to understand. And do comment me if you have any issue. If you are facing any issue, you are not able to do this, then I will clear your doubts. That's all from my side today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.